hold on, let me get y'all right for now. And I say for now because I'm not even about to be untwisting my dreads, bro. I got a special guest. Whenever she ready though, whenever she get ready, she'll be in here. But what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. I'm back with another video. Hey man, say man, look. I'm about to be untwisting my dreads. I'm about to be untwisting my hair, bro. My hair been like this for like 4 months. So I mean, for like 3 to 4 months. So I mean, you see it? Yeah, it's alright. You know what I'm saying? It's turned into a hairstyle, but it's not too. I'm not gonna say it's too healthy for my hair because, you know, when your hair get like this, your hair start to grow together. And so even when you go to do your retwist, you know what I'm saying? Even when you go to do your retwist, it's kind of like they pulling apart your shit. And you know, from the first time you got your hair dreaded up, if your shit pulling, cause I gotta edit now. But if your dread get the pulling apart, ooh, that bitch sound like Velcro, you hear me? It sound like Velcro. Alright, so it's not too, so that's why I gotta take these apart, and I gotta make sure that every one of them is apart. So that's why I needed my girl to actually come in here and actually get the back for me, make sure that every one of these are taken apart to the root. Okay, that's very important also because, like I said, when you get that retwist, it's not only gonna be getting pulled from here, it's getting pulled from the root. If your retwist is any good, if you're paying any type of money for your retwist, if you're paying anywhere from $100, the minimum $100 for your retwist, they're going to be going down to the root. They're going to be getting that new growth, and they're going to be having those good parts, those good section offs, so that your retwist can look clean, so that your whole hairstyle can look clean. You get what I'm saying? So that's a very important thing for that. It's like, see, even right here, you can tell some of that just grown together. You feel me? You can tell all that just grown together. I know y'all peep the fingernails, yeah. Hey, make sure your people got clean fingernails. Make sure that you have clean fingernails, goddamn. So yeah, I mean, I can start off with this one. This one is even three strand twist. So I can start off with this one though. No edit mile in the building. No edit. No haircut mile in the building. I know. It's all cool though, cause when you have dreads and you don't have a haircut, it's less painful. You feel me? That's all I'm gonna say. At this point, I gotta feel it, cause I ain't got no mirror in front of me and I can't see it. And they ain't about to be looking up in the camera all crazy and stuff. You have to be. This process is kind of painful. Had to get my thumbnail, man. Okay. So in the front right here, I have a dread that's growing in it too, bro. You feel me? I always had it. You know what I'm saying? It's like some of your dreads gonna do that, you know. And this may be like a part 2 or part 1 to this, because I really don't feel like undoing all of them in one sitting. You know, depending on however I want to do it, cause this is a lot for me. Cause oh my god, this oh my god, low key painful. Oh my god. Woo. See, this why I get my girl to just do it, you know? When my girl do it, she ain't gonna think about it. So he twisted one. Hold on, cause I low-key don't like the way he did my hair. He twisted one. 2-strand twisted one, and then I don't know. It's like he double worked himself. I'm gonna get some products today too, y'all, cause that needs to be on a. This need to be my hair need to be detoxed. So be looking for a detox coming soon. Probably I don't know, probably tonight. I probably might film a detox video tonight. There's my beautiful queen.
I'm not putting my stuff down right here.
Give me some. I need more. Hey, you could do it for like 3 minutes, cause I'm gonna do it in a whole nother video. I was just telling them how I need to go on a product run and get a detox. You need to give me a detox, baby, in the sink.
Okay. I need some oil, babe.
Oh, you use oil?
Yes.
I don't use oil in my hair.
That would be good for your hair.
I don't use oil in my hair. I know people like,
well,
oh,
when I get my products, you're gonna have to.
I don't want to use no oil. You need to have like a rose water product.
Okay.
You feel me? Have diversity.
I am, but rose water is just the first thing.
Nah, rose water. Research it. Rose water is good for your hair.
It is good for your hair, but I'm saying it's good for smell too. Like, I'm trying to make sure I get stuff that's good to not make your hair be dry, because it's getting cold, baby. You gotta put something on your hair. So I'm about
to put this satin line beanie on my head.
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to put some.
And to be 100 with you, like I don't survive things colder with my hair. Feel me?
No,
my hair get cold, but at the same time,
you take care of it. I'm gonna make sure your hair is healthy.
I understand. I just told him I need to detox. It's really all.
But you don't want that to be too harsh on your hair.
Nah, it ain't gonna be too harsh. It can be a natural detox. Really, I think it's like apple cider vinegar. I think it's baking soda too. I tried this shit one time, bro. I ain't dry my dreads properly. I think it was. And worst decision of my life. That bitch haunt me to this day. Alright, you got enough out, B.
I'm sure I can do a little bit more.
Alright, cool.
How many minutes has it been?
I need a thumbnail though. It's
It's 10:38.
10:38. You got 2 minutes.